okra don dey dry yo. I go see okra plant for this rainy season. That's good. Hey, my people, una dey there? I welcome una to this special edition of Children Are the Future. Yes, now, children are the future, and na the way we take bring them up today. Now it go determine the shape when our society go take tomorrow. Today, we want to talk of one matter when it is very dear to my heart. Hygiene. Some of you are too dirty. Clap for yourself. Sure. You will be parents. If you know they take proper hygiene, you know they take care of yourself, your environment, the way it's supposed to be, wait till you want to train your pikin. You could just see a whole full grown man stand, chook hand for nose, they whine in nose. Boko, boko, boko. That same hand, you go chook hand for food, you know wash the hand. Especially now when disease, they fly up and down, all of them get name. COVID, Ebola, column, it's everywhere. How you go take manage, train your pikin, say, make it they wash your hand, make it sanitize your hand, or make it they bath, clean environment. When you in parent, when it be the mirror, when the pikin they look, not the feet they do am. Now serious matter. Disease they fly up and down now. As a parent, when you come from work or you come from market, you're supposed to hit the shower straight. Okay, if you get one thing or two things when you want to do, you not bath, at least wash your hand. Make children always say, anything parent do that they wash hand. Before you know, you don't need to train them again. Only they by themselves, they go wash hand. If they go play come, when you call them, they go say, no, I want to wash my hands. They go not go wash their hand. They go not say, when they come from school, they're supposed to go bath. You day house, your pikin come from school. You just throw away uniform, by jump on top of plate of food, you go home. Oh, no. Do the right thing so that your pikin go fit copy you. Don't forget, say, we parents, now we be the mirror when the children they watch. You go want eat. You don't go take time to wash your hand, make sure say your environment they neat. You sit down on top of dustbin, they eat. Oga, madam, now you your pikin they look oh. See, one thing when you never know, be say disease themselves, they don't gather muscle. For this age when we dey so, you must use everything to take the fight disease. That means say your environment, your body, you must be hygienically clean. Learn to be hygienic so that you fit train your children well. All these diseases, they don't be champion. They say they resistant. So any the part where you fit play them. They say now COVID day. Wash your hand, wear mask. You say no. Oh, you they play with your life, oh. Now they say another strain. Not besides they try to promote fear, but at least do the right thing to safeguard the life of your children. The children when you say you love, do the right thing. Always wash your hand. If not for anything, forget the name of the disease. Keep your environment and your home clean. Some of them may be mama. Oh, if they say they enter in a house, in fact, pikin if you get convulsion, if you enter the dirty when they around you now, I better learn to keep your environment clean so that these children they go grow up. If they pikin they see say, "In mama they clean," if they copy you, tomorrow you're not gonna be dirty housewife. I don't want to talk this matter again, no. So by yourself, take caution. Sure, they're gonna tell you what to do. You when they always they chook out for nose up and down for road. That same man you don't chook out, you just see biscuit. Gala, gala. You go buy her. This same man when you chook for nose, you don't wash hand. Chew. Ha. Now wow, I tired though. Okay. As with the ginger, say make it better for every African child. For this our continent, with the ginger, say make this our African continent better. That's why we help every African child so that they go live a good life. Join us now. We don't feel they beg this beg all the time. Why? Because now good thing with the talk. You when they watch me, so you know they wash your hand before. Now we don't talk and say washing of hand good. You go work for morning till night. You come back, you know bath. So you go climb bed. I better call us. See our number. See me. We dey wait for the call. Bye bye. Make I go pluck my cross seed for planting. See you.